Mga idol, baka gusto nyo ng smart solar powered with smart switch. Hey Google, turn off the solar.
Right, turning the solar power on.
Lumipat sa DU. ATS. Lilipat yan sa red. Hey Google. Hey Google. Turn on the solar.
Sure, turning on the solar
red.
powered.
Hey Google. Turn off the solar. Lumipat sa green.
Turning the solar powered off.
Green is DU. Solar is red. Ayan, nakita nyo yung ilaw. Nag-blink. Hey Google. Hey Google. Turn on the solar. Lumipat sa red.
Got it. Turning the solar powered on.
231 volts.